What's up, guys? This is Josh here. Let's be real for a second. 3 stimulus checks in a year, that's not normal, but it is nice to have the extra boost in your checking account balance. In this video, I'm going to cover what's going on with that proposed third stimulus package and how you should spend your money if that money would come. In this video, you can apply this not just for a stimulus check, but you can apply this as well for a bonus, tax refund, or even a lump sum of money that may be coming your way. But before we get started, if you like and appreciate these quick videos that I do, make sure that you obliterate that like button. And if you're already not a part of the viewing community here and you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and interested in all things related to your finances, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. Just as most Americans receive their $600 stimulus checks from the Treasury Department, President Joe Biden unveiled his $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan that includes a third round of stimulus payments. Biden has proposed $1,400 per person and $2,800 per couple in direct payments for the third round of stimulus checks, and this is to top off the $600 payments that a lot of people received like in January and are still receiving here in February, for a new total of $2,000 in stimulus payments per person, which when you hear the $2,000, that can be very misleading because what they're really referring to is $600 that they passed back in December and an additional $1,400, which Biden's plan is calling for now. Biden's proposal for the third stimulus check would expand coverage for dependents over the age of 17. So those people who are taking care and claiming adult dependents like college students and adults with disabilities, they will receive additional stimulus for those dependents. 10 Republicans met with President Biden at the White House and they pitched a slimmed down $618 billion proposal. The GOP's proposal would include direct payments of $1,000 and it would go to fewer households. We're talking about individuals earning only $40,000 a year or couples $80,000 a year. President Biden told the Republicans that their offer was too small. While there has been a lot of support from politicians for additional direct payments, the third stimulus check has not yet been approved. However, Congress did say that they will make the president's plan a priority. For many people, the last 2 stimulus checks have been just enough to keep food on the table. But don't bank on the idea that another stimulus check is coming. If a third payment does come along, it could go a long way to help you get caught up on bills, pay off debt, or to build up your savings. If you're out of work or missing a paycheck, make sure that your basic necessities are covered by prioritizing essentials like food, housing, and utilities. And if you already don't have an emergency fund, go ahead and leave that money in a money market account that is kind of hard to get to. You don't want a money market account that if the pizza guy ring the doorbell, that you make a transfer from your money market right to your checking account. I have my emergency fund in an out-of-state savings account. So if I need that money, it takes about 2 to 3 business days for that money to hit my checking account. And that way, whenever I make my emergency transfer, that I'm not doing it out of impulse, that it's already something that I thought about and I know that I would need. And if your job is safe and you feel like it's going to stay like that for a while, you can use your stimulus money to build momentum on whatever you're on. You can use that money to tackle debt, to build an emergency fund to save for a house, or just to build your savings. Or you can even invest that money. ROBINHOOD is a great tool for beginners to begin to invest. I use Robinhood all the time and it makes investing simple. If you don't have a lot of money to invest in the stock market, you can purchase what you have fractional shares, meaning that you can purchase a fraction of a share as low as $1. And I'm going to leave a link down below, and that way you can get some free stock today with Robinhood. The only thing you have to do is link your banking account. And don't forget to budget. It is the best way to have your money to go further. In the top video right over there, I take you step by step on how you can set up your budget. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and I will see you in the next video.